Hi everyone, myself Kanakaraju Veldi, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Warangal Institute of Technology and Science. Welcome to WITS Connect. Today we are going to discuss one of the important topic, design of shafts based on rigidity. Based on rigidity. Okay, what is rigidity? Okay, this is one of the condition. Design of shafts. If you want to design any shaft, you consider first rigidity. Okay, based on the rigidity, the shaft sizes are determined. If we want to design any shaft like diameter, length, okay, these all are determined sizes of determined on the basis of basic of rigidity. Two kinds of rigidities are there, like two kinds of rigidity must be considered. First one is torsional rigidity. We are consider two rigidities. First one is torsional rigidity and second one lateral rigidity. Okay, in torsional rigidity, the angle of twist or torsional deflection. We are considering angle of twist or torsional deflection. In this torsional deflection or angle of twist is denoted by theta. In radians. What is the theta value, theta equation? Theta formula is theta is equal to TL by Gj. Okay, in this equation, what is theta? Already we know that twisting moment or torsional deflection is denoted by theta. What is T? Torque. T means torque, L equal to length of the shaft, G equal to modulus of rigidity, J is equal to polar moment of inertia. This is a twisting moment or a torsional deflection equation. Okay. Next, going to discuss lateral rigidity. Okay. Next, coming to the again design of shafts based on rigidity divided to, that is first one is already we know the torsional rigidity and second one lateral deflection. Okay, the lateral deflection of a shaft when used in a machine is often more important than its strength. Okay, if any shaft's deflection, that is more important to often machine is often more important than its strength. That's why we are using lateral deflection. In this lateral deflection is denoted by y. Okay, small y is equal to a constant into capital L cube by capital E capital I. Okay, what is a capital W? W is equal to load on shaft in newtons. Okay, next L is equal to supported length of shaft. L means length of the shaft mm. E is equal to modulus of elasticity is in Newton per mm square. Next, I is equal to moment of inertia, mm power of 4. Okay, this is a lateral deflection. Okay, again see the lateral deflection of a shaft. If any lateral deflection of shaft when used in a machine is often more important than its strength. Okay, any shaft consists if any shaft one some of the strength is there, okay, that is more important than its strength. This lateral deflection is denoted by y is equal to a constant into WL power of q by EI. Okay, this is a lateral deflection. Using design of shafts based on rigidity, we are going to find out the one important problem. Okay, this is the problem. question. A MS shaft, MS means this is one of the material, okay, one of the type of material, MS shaft, nothing, mild steel, okay, mild steel shaft transmitting power is subjected to a torque, of 2860 Newton meter. If the angle of twist is 1 degree in a length of 1498 mm and the modulus of rigidity 0.79 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. Okay, calculate the diameter of the shaft in mm. Okay, in this one, given data, first of all write given data, okay, first of all write the given data. In this one, given data is torque. First of all, torque is equal to 2860 Newton meter, okay, converted into mm, 2860 Newton mm. Okay, next theta is equal to 1 degree, okay, converted into radians. 1 degree is equal to 0.175 radians, 0.175 0.017 radians. Okay, next this is the angle of twist. Next, length of shaft is 1498 length, L 1498, okay, 1498 mm. And modulus of rigidity is denoted by capital G is equal to 0.79 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. Next, calculate the diameter of the shaft. Find out the diameter of the shaft. Okay, this is our question. Okay, next see given data T, theta, L, G. Find out the D. Next, using one formula, that is T by J. Already we know the torque T by J is equal to G theta by L. Already we know that this equation. Okay, torque equation. This is the torque equation or twisting moment equation. Already we know that. Using this equation, find out the diameter of the shaft. Using this equation, find out the diameter of the shaft. First of all, common J is equal J common. Then J is equal J side, this side. That's why T L by G theta. Okay, G theta. Okay, in this one we don't know J, that's why find out the J. Okay, T already we know that T is equal to 2860 into or into 10 to the power of 3. Okay, into 10 to the power of 3 by G is equal to 0.79 into 10 to the power of 5. Theta is equal to 0.0175. Find out the J. J value is approximately 8936 mm power of 4. Okay, this is value, this is a J value. Okay, actually what is J value? Solid circular shaft. For solid circular shaft, J is equal to pi d power of 4 by 32. Okay, using this J equation, find out the diameter of the shaft. Diameter of the shaft D is equal to D power of 4 is equal to 32 into J by pi by pi. Okay, using this one, this 4, next in this 4 root, fourth root of, okay, fourth root of 32 into J by pi. Then substitute J value, fourth root of 32 into J value 3098936 by pi. Okay, then find out the diameter. D is equal to, using your calculus, diameter approximately 75 mm. 75 mm. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, first find out, using this one, find out the J. After that, J circular shaft, J is equal pi d power of 4 by 32. Substitute to J value. J value already we find out, na? Then substitute this J value, then find out the D. D is equal 75 mm. Okay, thank you.